In this video, I'm going to show you two tools that you need to be using to organize your Windows workflows: FancyZones and virtual desktops. Let's get into it. FancyZones lets me easily assign existing windows and new applications to window position and sizes that I've defined. So grabbing my window and pressing Shift will reveal the zones that I've already defined. Dragging into it and releasing will set the window height, width, and position within the zone that I've defined. This works great especially for multi-monitor setups where you want to snap things into a particular arrangement and reduce the effort of arranging things as you like. It works with other types of applications as well. So for instance, if I have a Word document, I can throw it right in there. It's that easy. Virtual desktops, on the other hand, allows you to have multiple desktops on your computer. Window Tab brings you up to your different desktops you can select, and you can easily switch between them, keeping your windows organized on what feels like separate computers. To get these tools, look for the links down in the description of this video. And if either of these tools were helpful for you, make sure to let me know in the comments. Also, like and subscribe for more updates and tips like this. See you next time.